Good morning. I am Mangalanka WMR. Now I am going to talk about our topic. Our topic is sustainable alternative for cement in concrete. As you all know, concrete is a building material which is used for many constructional works. Concrete is made up from a mixture of cement and rock aggregate. Most of buildings have a concrete foundation and those buildings are very resilient. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we are trying to explain what are the raw materials used for this product. And we categorize these raw materials into the two types. Those are renewable and unrenewable. According to this chart, you can see material of our products. Those are lime, silica, alumina, iron, gypsum, water and magnesium. In the second column and third column, we have mentioned about the formula and the percentages of those materials. And now let's move to the next slide. And talking about the properties of concrete, there are so many. In the slide, we have mentioned only few. The most prominent property is compressive strength. It changes with the grade of concrete, which is another property of concrete. The grade of concrete changes with the mixed proportions of the ingredients. When it comes to tensile, its strength of concrete it is very poor. That's why we add steel bars with concrete to bear that tensile strength. And now Keshav will be continuing the presentation. And thank you.
Hello, I'm Dimutsara KWSK, and this is the process flowchart diagram of our product. In this, we use Portland cement, water, sand and coarse aggregate to make this product. By machines, we mix it, and there is a whole process of our product making. And these are the uses and applications of our product. They are mortar for plastering in masonry works, for making joints for pipes and drains, for concrete, for laying floors, slabs, etc. in construction of important engineering structures such as bridges, dams, tunnels, in preparation of foundations and footpaths. And those are the uses and applications of our product. And the rest of the presentation will continue by Chaturva. Thank you.
My name is Galapati CM. I'm going to discuss about the common problems of the product under different stages. As you can see, we divided them under three areas, namely environmental, social and economical. When considering the stage of extraction of raw materials, there are several impacts on the environment. Resource depletion occurs much faster and natural habitats, landscapes get destroyed. In this process, and when transporting these materials, it requires more manpower and costs very high, and it directly affects the economy. Water pollution, air pollution, and ground vibrations due to machine operations can identified as problems in production stage. Also, due to production in factories, nearby residencies affects badly with toxic air. So it requires larger area of lands. In the stage of making concrete, it needs lot of water. Heavy usage of water is a bad effect of this product. And also concrete requires more gravel rather than the other products. It is very costly and it is one of bad impacts of economically at this stage. In the process of applying concrete, there are considerable quantity wasted to the environment as solids. And because of the heavy weight of concrete and time required to cure, there should be a more manpower to reinforce. As concrete poor in tensile strength, it should be reinforced, generally by steel bars. Economically, it is bad impact. At destruction times, solid waste and air pollution due to toxic gases are environmentally not good. When destruction of unnecessary concrete, it makes heavy noise by the machines. Now we can consider what are the possible alternatives that can use instead of using cement-based concrete to minimize the bad impacts. Some of common alternatives are ashcrete, aircrete, hempcrete, and blast furnace slag.
I'm Bashita Clearly. Select the best alternative product to replace the original product to overcome the problems identified in 5. Abstract. Very common man-made materials for construction is concrete. Because of the problems and the failures of that, scientists put much pressure to make renewable, biofriendly and improved structure called heme concrete hempcrete. Introduction. Clay mixers do not have suitable thermal properties. Houses made of straw bales are not sufficiently resistant to moisture. Lime concrete good in comparison but poor in tension. By adding hemp fiber resulted the performing construction material. Raw materials are hemp sheaves, water, and lime. Material properties are moisture handling capacitors, moisture handling capabilities, compressive strength, fire resistance. Application of hempcretes are plastering, blocks, bricks, and from packing. Uses of hempcretes are wall insulation, Celino roof insulation, wall plaster, floor slab insulation, window insulation, and beam foundation. This table includes the comparison. Thank you.
Morning, I'm Kavin Dharmadana, and today our topic is alternative product for cement-based concrete. So my part is literature review. We searched many alternatives for the cement-based concrete, and we selected 4 items for it. First one is ashcrete. It is used fly ash instead of cement, and it is used for make roads, bridges, barriers, and marine structure and etc. It is a green concrete product, but it has a disadvantage because it will set slowly if we used fly ash. And the next one is blast furnace slag. It is used for construction field as well as ashcrete, and it is helps to increase the durability of product, and it will help to reduce the maintenance cost, but it is has a disadvantage because it will set slowly as the ashcrete. And the next one is aircrete. It is a lightweight masonry alternative, and it is a mixture of cement, water, and foam. It has a compressive strength, but it is not hard because we can cut, curve, drilled, and shaped with wood working tools. The next one is hempcrete. Hempcrete is the our alternative product for cement-based concrete. It is a mixture of hemp seals, water, and lime as the binding agent, and it has a moisture handling capability, compressive strength, fire resistance, and etc. But it has slow density, and yeah, it is a eco-friendly product also, and it is we can use it for many things in construction field. So we thought to get it as our alternative product. And also this is our conclusion. And the next page is the last one is our all references. Thank you for